So first ingredient that I have is flour, second is milk sachet, and then the sugar, vernipan or instant yeast, and the last one is egg. This ingredient that help me make the simple bread, and it's so useful. First we have to fill up 3 cups of flour in the baking pan, so you could see. So there's the first cup, second cup, and the third cup. After that we put the milk that already mixed by the hot water, and then don't forget with the sugar and the egg. Oh yeah, we forget about the butter, so we add some butter and mix the dough with mixer. Yeah, you could see in this video it's too tired to use the mixer, and we have to use the mixer we have to alternate because it's just a long of much time that we spend to make this dough. The dough, we have to move it, so we need to move to the new baking dish so that the dough could expand quickly and could become a good bread. Well, then we put the dough into the oven. After wait the dough for 20 minutes.